Hi, and welcome back to my channel for a very quick unboxing. This is, trying to cover my address, is a box that was delivered to me today, and this is from Dr Barbara Sturm. And I know I ordered her new makeup remover because I've been wanting to try it. I ordered another regular size hyaluronic serum because I've been using that regularly, like almost every day. And I also got a smaller one for traveling. So I'm supposed to be going on vacation in a few months, and I'm hoping it'll be good by then if I don't use it before then. And I also ordered I got some, what the hell? I got some free samples. Damn, girl. Damn, girl. Yeah. So, okay. So yeah, that's all I ordered. The hyaluronic serum in the 30 ounces, the 10 ounce one, the 10 milliliter one, the 30 milliliter one, which is 1 fluid ounce, makeup remover, which comes in one size, and that was it. And guess what they gave me? 3 samples. And I used a discount code that I got in the last order that I had gotten, one of the last orders that I had gotten from her, for 20% off, even though there's ways to get 20% off through her website, but I figured I might as well use that. And there's always, I think there's a one in the bottom again too. And the one thing is, I was telling Daniel, so what you can do is, you can buy her products from other retailers. However, I'm pretty sure if you get a discount code from Dr. Barbara Sturm, I'm pretty sure it's only good on her website. So I figured I might as well support her. Might as well just support her and order things from her directly from her website, and then do it that way, being that she does that. And I don't know about them, but she gives you free stuff sometimes. So apparently, and for the amount of money that I spend on her products, like, it's very much appreciated. And that could be why she does it, and she really wants you to like learn her products and see if you like them, and she's very passionate about it. I've watched some of her YouTube interviews or educational videos. So yeah, she is a dermatologist from Germany, I think. Anyhow, so they give you this stuff, which is cute for like photos. So this is her new makeup remover. The Dr. Barbara Sturm Molecular Cosmetics Makeup Remover, made in Germany. It's 150 mLs or 5.07 fluid ounces. I think it's a liquid. Yeah, it's a liquid, and you use like a cotton swab or a cotton pad, whatever you want, to take it off. My right eye has been hurting me, so I'm not gonna, yeah. But it says it's a lightweight and non-greasy makeup remover, effectively and gently cleanses the skin, removing all traces of makeup, including stubborn, long-wear foundation and waterproof mascara. The formulation consists of 2 phases that are combined by shaking the bottle. The water phase, which is enriched with micelles, I don't know how you pronounce that word, removes both water-soluble and fat-soluble makeup residue and dirt for clean and refreshed skin. The oil phase, which contains almond, apricot, and sunflower seed oils, as well as valuable moisturizers, betaine, hyaluronic acid, and biosaccharide, supports the skin's protective lipid layer and leaves the complexion soft and supple. So that's what this is, and I can't wait to use it. So you shake it like a Polaroid picture, you apply it, and you take it off. I might do a video on that another time, but not in this one. I just wanted to show you this, and it says that it's good for 12 months, so a year. The regular size or middle size hyaluronic serum, which I love. I don't need this one quite yet, but I will soon. I was going to buy the biggest size, but that's like $800 and something. So I was like, but again, like the amount of money that I spent on it, maybe I should. And this is 30 milliliters or mLs, which is 1.01 fluid ounces, again from Germany. And this is good for, same thing, 12 months or a year. This has intensive ingredient concentrate hyaluronic serum with short chain and long chain hyaluronic acid. I don't know what that means, but if you want to know, you can look it up. Hyaluronic acid works like an intensive moisturizing treatment and has an immediate effect. Dr. Barbara Sturm, she has said in videos before that I've watched that the serum is not in place of a moisturizer. You should still be using a moisturizer. This is just something that you use in conjunction with it. So, and then it says, it helps to give the skin an instant freshness boost and visibly reduces fine lines. Purslane is rich in beneficial antioxidants to assist the skin's own antioxidant system and protect sensitive skin membranes against attacks by free radicals and therefore against the appearance of premature skin aging. I mean, I'm going to be 40 soon, so I don't know how premature that is. And, before I break that, it's a glass jar, so I have to be careful. Then I got a mini version, which is 10 milliliters or 0.33 fluid ounces that I was going to use, and I'm planning on using for my vacation. This is also good for 12 months, so it should be fine. Because if you're going to do it, you might as well bring it with you. And then I got 3 little samples. So I got, oh my god, this is so freaking awesome. I got a real travel size one, which I'm probably going to bring with me. This is 12 milliliters in case this isn't enough. Because I do like 2 or 3 drops of it, like generous drops of it for my face and my neck when I use it usually. So this is 3 milliliters, 0.1 fluid ounces of the hyaluronic serum. Same thing, a year shelf life, or once you open it maybe. Then I got the Good C vitamin C serum. Same thing, 3 milliliters, 0.1 fluid ounces. It's good for a year. Are these all good for a year? Yes, they are. And the vitamin C, or the Good C vitamin serum, it doesn't say what it does, but I'm sure it's good stuff. I'll have to check her website. And then this is the Better Be Niacinamide serum. Same size, 3 milliliters, also known as 0.1 fluid ounces. Heard her mention this a gazillion times. I also don't know exactly what this is for. It has apricot and sunflower seed oil in it. That's what this is. So I got these 3 little guys for free with my purchase, and this is one of the benefits, I guess, of ordering it straight from Dr. Barbara Sturm. In addition to getting, this is what I love about it, and I only thought to buy from her when I was hearing all these other YouTubers that I used to watch, or this one YouTuber I used to watch regularly talk about it and say how she was using it. She always uses it as like her main staple for her makeup, and I decided to give it a go, and I've been buying from her ever since. Straight from her, not from Sephora, not from Neiman Marcus or whoever. I highly recommend getting it straight from Dr. Barbara Sturm. If you liked this video, please give it a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World. Don't forget to share this with anybody and everybody you know. And leave some comments or leave a comment. And I will see you later. Bye.